The Adani Group has been plunged into crisis for the second time in as many years. The indictment of the US Department of Justice and a civil case by the US Securities and Exchange Commission has pushed one of India's richest man into the corner again. The impact on the Adani Group is multi-pronged. The most direct impact is on the stocks of the group. The news led to a plunge in all the 10 Adani Group stocks, with Adani Enterprises, Adani Energy and Adani Green falling the most. The group lost nearly 16% of its market cap to 12 lakh crore rupees, with investors left poorer by 2.28 lakh crore rupees. The indictment by the US authorities has also hit fundraising plans of the group. Adani Green Energy was in the final stages of closing off a $600 million fundraise in the US through a 20-year bond on Wednesday. The issue was cancelled following the US court order. The group had to similarly withdraw a 20,000 crore rupee public issue after Hindenburg allegations. Future fundraising efforts in the global market will also be hit, as top banks and investors are likely to take cue from US authorities and avoid exposure to the group. And it's not just in the US that the Adani Group may face difficulties. Regulatory benchmarks set by the American regulator are closely followed by several countries, which could make fundraising difficult across the globe. Gautam Adani's mega plans to invest $10 billion in the US and creating up to 15,000 jobs after Donald Trump's win could also shift into the slow lane, if not face a total block. Ratings agency Moodys has said the indictment is credit negative for the Adani Group. The agency said it focuses on the company's governance practices and their ability to access capital to meet their liquidity requirements. The fiasco has resulted in the group's dollar-denominated bonds taking a huge hit. The controversy around the Adani Group is also likely to cast a pall around other Indian companies tapping the global bond market for funds in the short term due to risk aversion. Indian stock markets regulator Sebi may also have to step in after having given the group a clean chit on allegations made earlier by Hindenburg Research. This as Sebi has a regulatory agreement with its US counterpart and may have to intervene with its own probe if the SEC invokes the Inter-Regulatory Cooperation Pact. A legal fallout of the case could lead to temporary travel restrictions for those named in the US Department of Justice indictment. According to Reuters, court documents show that arrest warrants have been issued against Gautam Adani and Sagar Adani. According to analysts, the Adani Group could resolve the charges by an out-of-court settlement, which would involve paying fines, admitting certain wrongdoing, and improving compliance practices. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.